All I hear is this, and all I want to hear is this. I hope I catch a coho, because catching a pink.
Barely slightly upriver, yeah. Less than that next time. It's strong, a little too strong. But I want to get there because there's like zero current. You see that? Oh. We could walk from there. It would be worth it to be right there.
Yeah, I think so, since it's ripping right here and we can't really do too much. It'd even be better if it's on the other side.
Oh, that looks good. There's probably other good spots around there. I don't know this river at all yet. Hope none of these people want to occupy this place. It's right in front of you.
Okay, it's long.
Yeah, you gotta get over it. Here, hold on. I'm stepping on it. That'll help, but you still have to get over it.
Oh my gosh. It stinks.
Yeah, we're gonna walk by dead fish here, if that's okay with you.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, it's super deep here. How you doing? Right here. Okay. We're in a cool spot.
Let's see it produce then.
Are you not into my lure?
I think they like the eggs.
Maybe it's a good place for you to learn how to use a bait caster.
I can use your bait caster now?
Yeah.
All right, let me use it.
How do you cast? This hand?
This hand.
Yeah, right, you
this hand.
switch.
Well, then why do you ask me?
JW. You barely cast it at all, so it's easy. You just stop. Make sure you stop it with your thumb, and then you click it over. I'm gonna go get a twitching jig.
How do I cast?
Like that. Yeah, if you keep it that close or closer, then it won't leave this little area, which is kind of nice. I think I snagged this one too, because it's... Oh, that was the king. That's a little piece of lead to hold it down. And this makes it so you can grab it and pull the egg loop open. What's happening here? And you put the egg in. Whoop. Just like that.
Yeah. Do I have to cast where the bobber stop is, or can I just like go more? Do I have to cast it this much long?
No.
Oh, I can keep
You've been
going.
reeling that into your thing the whole time. Oh, this one bit. It's a pink.
Yeah, it did.
I think we can keep pinks, but I don't really want to. They're biting all of a sudden. First, oh, huge king. Huge king. I don't think that's the one. He'll eat your eggs. Are you all messed up?
Oh my gosh.
You gotta bite, you gotta bite. Set it.
Okay.
No, no, no. Okay, set it. Yeah. Oh, it's a coho, I think. It's a king. What is that? It's a coho.
Okay.
Don't move it over here. There's a log there.
Where do I go?
Keep it away from the log. There you go. Keep it away from the log.
I'm trying. But don't I need to go over there?
Yeah, we got to tire it. Well, tire it out where you are. Let me get this rod out of the way. That was cool. I wonder if I got that on video. I was like freaking out.
What do I do? Let me move.
But you can go under the... You could, yeah. It's still pretty lively. You might consider... Do we want to keep him?
Do I consider what? There's not a lot of answers you're giving here.
Well, I could try to grab him by the tail, but that's a bad option. Angel.
Oh no!
Give me it. Okay, I'll give it back. Maybe go under there and I'll give it back.
Okay. I'm here.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Go under it first.
I'm under it.
Okay.
Oh, are they eating then? Is that a coho?
They just started biting. Yeah, that's how a male coho looks in a river.
How did you know? I didn't even know I had a bite.
I watched him bite a couple times.
Did I catch a fish?
It's a big one. Get a line back out there. Shoot.
Oh, so they're eating.
They're eating.
Yeah, they don't eat like in the morning time only. They eat like in the afternoon, right?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah. Well, where are you going to put it?
Here, hold it. I want to get a phone video. Oh, shoot. I started it wrong. Oh, no. I wasn't recording.
Oh, my gosh.
Dang it.
For people who are just tuning in because he clearly wasn't recording, I caught the biggest fish.
Well, no, I was recording for yours. I just caught this fish on this Mepps Flying C. Angel was reeling this exact spinner in earlier, and a fish followed it. It was bigger than this one, and so maybe I'll get another one to thump it right at my feet. But regardless, we got two now. If I can get this one, if I don't drop it in the water. There you go. Set it! You got him! You got him! Oh, what were you doing?
I don't know.
He's right there.
Okay.
That fish was yours.
Okay, but this big caster is annoying. Look, every single time.
Why don't you cast too far and then reel it back to there if you can't cast short. There.
My big
That fish is going to run into my line. Oh, that was a coho. Right in front of us. Ah, I snagged this one. I could feel it. Oh, all right. It's another coho in the mouth.
In the mouth?
Yeah.
Well done.
Watch out. I felt it bite, but it felt funny. Get your stuff out of there. We're gonna get on each other. Okay, you're good.
You're fine. Move over there. I'm in a perfect flow right now.
That was cool. He bit right in front of me again.
It's a big one.
Yeah, it's about as big as yours. He's not hooked very good. He's hooked on the bottom lip. See that? Mm-hmm. Back. Ooh, there. Yeah, I don't know.
You look great.
Trout rod. That's a good one. Sweet. I was actually recording for that one. Yeah, you're right.
I think this is enough. Don't you want to go?
Go? No, I want to catch another one.
Okay.
Do you want to switch jobs?
Yeah. Seems like you're actually catching more fish than me.
You're good at spinner fishing.
Okay, here.
We're gonna switch jobs now.
We're Where were you casting?
Kind of super close, and I'd see this back eddy, I'd let it get to the bottom, and then I'd just reel it up off the bottom. Remember that time it followed your lure in? I've been like recreating that every time.
I'm ready. Look at this fish. Let's go. Whoa! Ah!
That was the bottom. I thought it had a fish on. I think their flesh is going to be pretty because they're not like pinks. They don't just get nasty really fast. There you go. How to catch fish right next to your feet. Yeah, every time you got a bite.
No, this is the most important. How to get a bite in the afternoon.
She thinks anyone can do it. What a wonderful day. Maximal effort hiking for minimal effort fishing. And that's what happened. Except Angel didn't have minimal effort because she doesn't know how to use a bait caster. But now she does.
I swear to God. That one's so good, super chromy.
Yeah, it's in good shape for sure.
But we can wake up at 9 a.m., come to the Skagit at like noon, slay, and then be out of here by 2. We're like taking our precious time to even get to the boat launch.
Fishing doesn't always work like this.
It's work like this in my favor, mind you. It's work like this. The past 3 times we went salmon fishing. 4 times we went salmon fishing. It worked like this yesterday and we caught.
She doesn't even tip her guide.
Well, I'll tip you. I'll tip you.